Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at how to create a Python Recon tool. So let's get started. If I show you my Python 3 version, right? I'm using Python 3.92. So let's clear it out and let's try to write a script using test recon py. So you can name it whatever you want and you can use editor whatever you want, so it's your preference. And so let's begin writing script. So in this script you need a basic request library. If you haven't installed the request library, you can do pip3 install request. So you can do like that. And so let's get started. First of all, we need to import the request. Then we need to import sys module. Sys module allow us to give input in the terminal. So after that, what we can do is check the length of the argument is less than 2. Then what we want to do is to print the uses, right? Then let's concatenate with argument 0 plus our URL. Basically what we are trying to do is, if the argument is less than 2 argument, then what we want to do is to print out the uses creating that much. Then we need a request. How we want to do is to use a request variable. Then we need to import get. Then we need to take the http. So here we need to create a URL. So how we can do is we can pass the URL over here. That would be 1, and let's do enter. Then let's printing the header from here. So how we can do is string, then request dot header. After printing that, we need to get a host name. For that, we need to import the another module called socket. Then let's go down over here and let's write guest host by. Then here is our socket dot get host by name. Here we need to pass the argument. After that, let's print the new line. Then let's print the host name. We can do IP address of sys.rgv1 plus is. Here we need to name the get host by. After that, let's print the new line. After getting the IP, right, what we can do is to get its information like location, region, city and country. For that, we are gonna use ipinfo.ipi. So we need to get another request. Then we can do request.get. Then let's open the bracket. Then we make the API call by https ipinfo.io then slash. Then we need to give the IP address. That would be the get host by. Then let's import that into JSON format. We can do JSON. We need to import module called JSON. That has been done. What we can do is to go on next step is to print get response response equal to store json.load that into another request the txt text. After doing that, we can print out all the location first. Let's do by location. You can put here like this. Then we need to print this, so we can access the JSON value like this location and print the city, then response, then let's put the value called city. After that, let's print the country, that would be crucial country, then response, then country. Let's print out the region, region. Now our script has been okay. Then let's save this. After here, what we can do is to run this. Let's use Python 3. Let's use test recon. Then let's pass the URL. So I will just type 9anime.ru. So let's wait for the request. So we have some error. So let me fix at line 19. So here is a simple typo error. So let me just save it and let's try to run it again. Or let me just clear this out first. Let me try that running that again. So this is how you create a simple automation script using Python. Thank you guys.